Have you ever stepped into a place so peaceful that it felt like time itself slowed down? No clutter, no noise, just calm. That's the quiet magic of a Japanese home, where simplicity isn't emptiness, it's intentional peace. Today, I'll show you 5 simple Japanese lifestyle tricks to turn your home into that kind of haven. Calm, organized, and beautifully still. Ready to breathe a little easier? Let's begin.
In Japan, space isn't just empty, it's sacred. There's a word for it, ma, the pause between things, the space between sound and silence, between clutter and clarity. Western design often fills every corner. Japanese design? It leaves room to breathe. Try this. Clear one surface in your home, a desk, a shelf, or a table. Remove everything. Then put back only 1 or 2 items that truly matter. Maybe a candle, photo, or a single flower in a vase. That empty space isn't boring. It's peace made visible. And when your home has room to breathe, you do too.
Hidden beauty, shitsurai, and mindful arrangement. Japanese homes are like poetry, quiet, deliberate, and balanced. The secret? It's called shitsurai, the art of thoughtful arrangement. It's not about buying new things. It's about arranging what you already have in a way that feels intentional. When you pour tea, notice how you place the cup. When you hang a towel, smooth its edges. When you close a drawer, do it gently. These tiny acts of awareness turn ordinary chores into moments of quiet mindfulness. It's not decoration, it's harmony.
The one in, one out rule. Living with less, but better. There's a reason Japanese homes rarely feel crowded. They follow an unspoken rule. Ichi-go, ichi-shits. One in, one out. When something new enters your home, something old must leave. Bought a new cup? Donate one. Got a new shirt? Let go of one that no longer serves you. It sounds simple, but it teaches gratitude. You start thinking twice before bringing things in, and slowly your home becomes filled only with what you truly love and use. Minimalism in Japan isn't about owning nothing, it's about owning with intention. Because every item you keep should earn its place, not just take up space.
Nature inside. The principle of wabi-sabi. In Japan, perfection isn't the goal. Beauty lives in imperfection. In the chipped teacup, the faded wood, the uneven handmade bowl. This is wabi-sabi, the art of finding peace in impermanence. Bring nature into your home. A small plant, a stone, a wooden bowl. Let your materials age gracefully. Don't hide the scratches or the stains. They're proof of life lived gently. Wabi-sabi reminds us, nothing lasts, nothing is perfect. And that's exactly what makes it beautiful. When your home reflects that truth, it stops trying to impress. It just is.
The evening ritual, yuyake no jikan. In many Japanese homes, evenings are sacred. As the sun sets, people slow down, lights dim, voices soften. It's a moment called yuyake no jikan, the time of the sunset. This simple ritual can change your entire home's energy. Try it tonight. Turn off bright lights, play soft music, light a candle or incense. Let the day fade away slowly. Don't rush it. In that stillness, you'll feel your home exhale, and so will your mind.